How to get the AI Manga Filter on TikTok. You can see a lot of people using the AI Manga Filter, which is now available on TikTok. If you also want to get it and use it for yourselves, all you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom and tap on the FX tab on the bottom left. Once you do that, you simply tap on the search option and search for AI Manga. Now if this option is not showing up for you, you can also try it another way. Let's back out of here and then tap on the search bar on the top right, and now here search for AI Manga. Once you hit search, you can see all of the AI Manga filters that are being used by other people. Now you can tap on any one of them, and on the top you'll have an option of AI Manga. You can tap on it and it's gonna give you more of the videos where other people have used them. Now you'll also have an option of use this effect on the bottom. You can easily tap on it and use the AI filter. Now if you still don't see that option, that means the AI Manga filter is not still available in your region. You can try to update the app of TikTok and try to see if it works, but until TikTok themselves have given the AI Manga filter on your region, it won't be available. So the only thing that you can do now is wait out until the AI Manga filter is available in your region. So that's the best you can do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.